This is the Pringle Pond. It's full of tons of different kinds of algae and life. I've never gotten a sample from here, so I made sure to grab some all around the border, including some of the dirt at the bottom for the benthic creatures. Here's some filamentous algae. The jar is pretty much full now of this green organic goop. Let's head back. I can already see a giant flatworm creeping along the jar. And tons of different kinds of life. Let's see what we got. This algae is called water net algae. The name water net comes from the mesh structure of their colonies. It's usually found in water with relatively high alkalinity levels. Check out this holophyra cell that I found. Got an awesome shot of its mouth. They eat filamentous algae with it whole. There were so many stentor cells. Not sure what kind. It's possible they are polymorphous. Here's the flatworm we saw earlier on the jar. It was pretty big, and a cover slip would smoosh it. There was also an oleophorus worm, along with what I believe is a baby leech. I have never seen one before, but due to the posterior sucker, that's what I believe it to be. And here is the flatworm's eyes.